Do you want to share location on Google Maps? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Share location on Google Maps on smartphone. Launch the Google Maps on your device. Tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Then select Location Sharing. Select Share Location. Tap New Share to initiate sharing your location. Select how long you want to share your location. Choose for 1 day or the number of hours or until you turn this off. Choose the contacts with whom you want to share your location. If they have a Google account, you can select them directly. If not, you can copy a link to share via other messaging platforms. Tap Share to finalize the process. The selected contacts will now be able to see your real-time location. If maps need location access, go to Settings, then Allow. You can choose from Allow all time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time or Don't allow. To stop sharing your location at any time, return to the location sharing settings and select the person you want to stop sharing with, then tap Stop. Share location on desktop. Go to the Google Maps website in your web browser. Click on the menu icon or the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then select Location Sharing. Click on Share Your Real-Time Location. You can copy the link and share via WhatsApp, X or Gmail. Select the person you want to share or type the email ID in the respective field. Then select Send if it is an email like we are showing here. And there you have it. The way to share location on Google Maps. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.